In this section, I ask you to use long division or synthetic division to find the quotient. When we're dividing by a nice linear binomial like x plus 1, we can go ahead and use synthetic division. And that's where we're going to take the coefficients of the numerator, 2, 3, 2, and lay them out like that. In this box here, I'm going to put the root of the denominator, so not 1, but -1, because -1 make it equal 0. Now, how synthetic division works is you bring down the 2. Then, every time that we go diagonally, we're going to multiply by this -1. So 2 times -1 is -2. Every time we go vertically, we're going to add the two numbers together. 3 plus -2, that's just 1. Going diagonally, we'll multiply by the -1 again, and then add. 2 plus 1 is 1. Then this is where our solution is going to be. This will be the polynomial, and this little guy is going to be the remainder. So we would write this quotient out as 2x plus 1 plus the remainder over x plus 1. And there's the quotient. And this one, because the leading coefficient of that denominator isn't 1, it's a 2, it might be better to use long division for this one. So long division, if you remember, looks like this. Numerator goes inside, 6x minus 7, and the denominator goes outside. And the real key here is just to worry about this leading term. That'll tell us everything we know. What do I need to multiply that by to turn it into 6x? And the answer is 3. Then go ahead and do that multiplication 3 times. The entire binomial is 6x plus 3. We'll go ahead and subtract. 6x minus 6x is nothing. -7 minus 3 is -10. That's our remainder. You can't multiply 2x by anything to turn it into -10. So this means that our solution is going to be 3 plus -10 over 2x plus 1. In this last one, we're back to having a nice linear denominator where the leading coefficient is 1. So I'm going to lay out all of our coefficients of the numerator, 1, 5, -9, and -45. And we're going to divide by the root of -5. So bring down the 1, and it's multiply and add, multiply and add. So 1 times -5 is -5. When we add, we get 0. 0 times -5 is 0. Adding gives us -9. -5 times -9 is positive 45. And when we add, we're left with 0. So here's our answer, and this one's our remainder. This being the 1x squared plus 0x minus 9. There's our solution.